Let's move on to class. Meantime, they will join. So last class, what we discussed, playbook, right? What is playbook and how to write playbooks and how to write playbook, how to execute, how to add multiple models, how to run it and all. Today we'll see how variables we didn't discuss, right? In playbook there is four sections, right? What are the sections? Target section,
Hosts,
variable section,
hosts
task
and
section, and
target.
handler sections. Now we know what is target section and you know what is where that is task section and all. Target and task. Now today we'll see variable sections and all, how to declare variable and how many ways we can declare variable, that and all. Then we'll go for our rules. So now if you go here, so now we have one is target section. Target, next variable section, next task section, next handler sections. So now already you know what is target section and how to pass it and all. Now task and all, you know, under the task we are going to add multiple models. The actual task and all we are going to add under the task. Now today we'll see what is variable section, how to declare variables and all. So in real time, this is also important, but this is optional. If you want to run any playbook, variables and handlers are the optional. If you want, we can add it. But these two are the mandatory. So as of now, we discussed only target section and task section. Now today we'll see handlers, that is variable sections, how to declare variables. Now if you go to here, variables are, there is many ways we can declare. So interval also very, very important. And so we'll see. Already I shared one document, right? Just for your understanding, already I noted, just refresh it if you have any doubt and all here. So somewhere we can see already playbooks, how to run these playbooks and all. Now same way you can see playbooks. Tags also not a discuss, right? We'll finish. Correct? Monica? Tags.
No, sir.
Okay, we'll see that also. Now, where is these are the so variable sections. So variable section variables means we can declare any variable. So generally in Jenkins also we are declaring variable. In Kubernetes also we are declaring some variables we are calling, right? env dot we are calling variables name and all. So same way in Ansible also we are going to declare variables. So this is also very simple only. First, this is the we are declaring key and value format. What is variables? Variables. So, so variable means whenever if you need, so Ansible variables allow to store dynamic values. So here if you want to, we can pass static, or if you want to, we can store dynamic values and reuse them throughout your playbook and templates. So if you want to use in our playbook anywhere, so that the sum of variables I am going to declare, that variables we are going to call in our playbook or templates. This makes your playbook flexible, reusable, and easier to maintain. So now see here, they are using some variable. Host already you know. This is the VARS, variables colon task colon. We are adding multiple task, right? Task colon we are adding multiple task. Same way VARS variables. Here this is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. So like this, whatever you want, we can declare the variable. That variable how to print with the help of debug model and message. Message means like echo statement. Whatever you want, we can print. How we are calling? So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Now simply we are going to declare one variable and so how to print those variables we'll see it. Okay. First come to here my server. Where is my server? Running or not? Just go to server, connect, copy this. Let me connect my Ansible server. Where is PM files? Right click, open, git bash. Where is git bash? Now task and all, task section, target section clear, right? Same way we are going to declare variables. Now clear. Now I'm going to declare one file sudo vi underscore play dot yml. Just I'm declaring so one playbook. In the playbook, I am going to declare variables. Insert. So start of the playbook, end of the playbook. Hmm. Whatever you want. This is only our human user purpose. Next, host. Host section, group name or specific IP address. Now this and all already you know. Yes. Now I am not going to declare any task, just I am going to declare the variables. So if you want to declare variable, what is the syntax? VARS. So earlier we are using task, right? Monica? Task. So under
Yes, sir.
task we declare so module name M something. Now just I am going to declare the variables. VARS colon and so what is the variable? So like this we need to declare the variable key and value format. So here which is the key and which is the value? This is the key. This is the value.
Mm,
This is the key and this is the value. For example, I am using also name. I am using name colon. Give any name. Something. Same like. So see here how they are passing. I am giving name. For example, I am using so this is username. Name equal to EC2 hyphen user. Just I am giving some name. Now, how to print these variables? If you want to print, what is the model? Debug model. Under the debug model,
debug.
we need to use message. Message is nothing but like echo. On Linux, if you want to print something console echo, something we are printing, right? Same way. So, colon. Okay. Yes. Now, so, hmm. So how to call? This is the syntax. Already you know, right?
Yes.
How we are calling, this is same syntax. What is this? Yeah, that's it. Now see here. So if you want to for user purpose, we can add here. How we can add? Hyphen name, print the variables. Same way, whatever you want. So like this, we can call many variables. Now just I am declaring only one variable. Let's try it, how it will work. Now we can add many things. Escape, colon, X7, etc. So Ansible hyphen playbook Ansible hyphen playbook and the playbook name where playbook. How to check syntax hyphen syn syntax hyphen check. Debug is not valid attribute for the play. Something we missed. Where we missed? Line number 2. But may elsewhere in the file depends on the extract syntax. Declaring call and variable here. I think you given some model, right? We call it model, right? We missed something. What we missed? See here. We are calling so debug model. Debug is one model, right? Maybe you missed task. Maybe you missed task. So this is a model, right? Model debug is the model where we need to add models under
tasks.
task. We missed a task. TAS task. Now we need to give remove this one. Okay. Name. Now insert debug colon. Now we need to give space. That's it. Escape colon. Anything missing? Check syntax here also. So we are printing, right? So this is a message, right? We need to give double quotation also. We need to give double quotation also. We missed it, right? This is we are calling variable, okay. But this is entire string, right? Give string also.
Yes.
We missed this one also. Okay. Anything? Name host to become variables. Name equal to just I given some name. Whatever you want. We can give Monica. This is the name, variable name. Whatever you want, we can give it. Okay. Now I give task name, print the variable names, debug, SMS. That's it. Escape, colon, X. So now here it is coming, just it is printing Monica. Just I am calling key, right? So here it is coming just Monica. That's it. Now check it. Variable hyphen send. Now I don't have anything. Okay. Now check. Now if you want to check dry run. So last interview also they asked this question. So they have a playbook. They have playbook and they want to run. They don't want to execute. Actually, they want to run dry run. What is the syntax? Hyphen check.
Check.
Hyphen check. So Saturday interview they asked. They have a playbook. They don't want run. Now see here. So given variable is this is a Monica. So like this, if you want to declare any variable, so where we need to declare variable under the variable section. So
Well,
this is the key and value format. How to call those variables? So curly braces, double curly braces, closing double curly braces in between. So we need to add your key name. That's it. But interview asking, so there is different types of variable available in Ansible. So that is the mostly they are asking in interview. We'll discuss on that. So these are the types of variables. These are the types of variable. I so declare and all. If you understand nothing, interview also very you can easily mapping it. So these are the one is runtime variable, one is runtime variable, playbook variable, host variable, group variables, all variables. So runtime variable means so runtime we can pass some variables. So runtime I want to pass some variables. Mostly 90% they are asking this first one. How to pass runtime variables? How to pass variables at runtime? What is the syntax? Hyphen E or hyphen extra vars. How to pass variables at runtime? That's good. So most of the cases they are asking. This is the interview question. Very important. So hyphen extras hyphen vars or simply if you want to pass we can use hyphen E. Very important, Amma. How to pass variables at runtime. Now I declare variable. Where I declare variable? Playbook. So if I run my playbook, it is get data, it is retrieving that variable from my playbook. Now I want to pass runtime. So if you want to pass runtime, what is the syntax? This is the syntax. Got it? Very, very important.
Yes.
Most of the cases they asked this question. How to pass variables at runtime? What is the syntax? Ansible hyphen playbook, playbook name, hyphen E or hyphen extra hyphen VARS or variable name. That's it. Now see here. Now in my playbook I given Monica. No. I am passing at runtime. See now I am using hyphen E name equal to I given for example Hemant. Now see here what value it is coming. It is coming my value or runtime first preference variable.
Runtime.
That is playbook variables or runtime variables.
Runtime.
Runtime variables. This point we need to note it. Suppose if you are not passing anything at runtime, then it will call which variables? Playbook variables.
Playbook.
Now these two cover, right?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important. First one, very, very important. How to pass variables at runtime. This is the syntax. They are expecting this one. Hyphen E or hyphen extra hyphen VARS. Whatever you want, we can pass it. Now, if I am not passing anything at runtime and first preference goes to which variables?
Playbook.
Playbook variables. Now there is a host variable, group variable, all. We'll see this and all. Now host means you know, right? Host means this is my mission. Correct? Now let me go
Yes,
to
sir.
here. Now this is my host. This is my one host and this is my one host. Got it? Now how many hosts here
Yes,
I
sir.
have, Monica? Two hosts. One server, two hosts. Now like this we can see real time many hosts also. Now I'm going to declare host variable. Now these two clear, right? Runtime variable and playbook variable.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you want, we can give. For example, any doubt or I can add one more variable, so I will run it. Clear, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is simple only. Just we are declaring the variables and if you are not passing runtime, by default it is calling playbook variable. If you pass runtime, now it is overwrite. Clear? Overwrite the variables. Now I am going to declare a host variable. So generally host file, where is available host file? Host file. Where is, which is Ansible installation path? Default path. Etc
Sir.
ed space slash etc slash ansible. Correct? Ansible.
Yes, sir.
This is the default path. Where is my host file? ls ec2. Where is that file? Create. Which mission I mean?
Direct. Direct. Wages.
It is not going that path. cd slash etc slash ansible ls. Here, right? Earlier it is not go. Now
Yes, sir.
it is move on to this is my host. Now see here, these are the common roles is common, and these two I created. These two files we created manually, but this is the default available ansible.cfg host and roles. Now, so now I'm going to declare host variables. So under this we need to give the this is the pattern host underscore where's I'm going to create one directory sudo host underscore. See here, I'm going to same way. Which host? V underscore host where's. So I'm going to create one directory mkdir m mkdir. Okay. So now cd space host underscore cd space host underscore vars. Okay. ls. Now I'm going to declare the variable host variable. So I'm giving same name, amma. We can give first name or we can give same name also. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Okay. I'm giving a sudo vi. First, I want to see cat space. What is the IP of my host file? Anyone IP? Or else first come to here. I'm copying that one. Cat space host. cd/etc/host Ansible, right? Not host. Ansible, under Ansible cat space host. Okay. I need this to window or notepad. Just paste it. That's it. I need that one. That's it. Okay. Now cd space host underscore vars. I create one directory and I'm going to create one file based on host name or based on IP address. Sudo vi. I'm giving this for this mission 165. Whatever you want. Copy, paste dot yml. Clear, Monica? So
Yes.
under the etc Ansible directory, I created one folder host colon host underscore where's just I given one for I created one directory. Under a directory I created based on my host. I have two host missions. So for example, if I want to call host variables, that's it. My target is I want to call my host variables. Host means that variable related to which host. How I know? నాకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది ఈ వేరియబుల్స్ ఏ హోస్ట్ సంబంధించిందనే కన్ఫ్యూజన్, రైట్? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ 50 హోస్ట్ మిషన్. నేను ఒక హోస్ట్ మిషన్ లో ఒక వేరియబుల్ డిక్లేర్ చేశాను. ఐ వాంట్ టు కాల్ దట్ వేరియబుల్. హౌ వీ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై? కన్ఫ్యూజన్, రైట్?
Yes.
సో దానికోసం నేను ఏం చేశాను, జస్ట్ వన్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ హోస్ట్ నేమ్ ఐ గివన్ వన్ ఫైల్ నేమ్. Okay. Now same for understanding already everything I noted here clearly. So like this, I declare the so one variable I given based on this name I declare it. Remaining thing same only. Remaining thing same only. Okay. I declare one file based on my host name. Here this is my host name. Insert. I am going to declare. Playbook లో ఏ నేమ్ ఇచ్చినారమ్మా? వేరియబుల్ నేమ్.
Mom.
నేమ్
Yeah.
ఈక్వల్ టు కరెక్ట్ మోనికా అని
Yes, sir.
ఇచ్చినాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను వేసినాను జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ అండర్స్టాండ్ పర్పస్ కాలింగ్ 65 పోస్ట్ వేరియబుల్స్. ఏదైనా ఇచ్చుకో, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes, sir.
Here in this place we can pass it. This is the key value, right? We can pass anything, that is your wish. మీకు ఏం కావాలి జస్ట్ పాస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎస్కేప్ కోలన్ సేవ్. నౌ cat space 172 dot. See, I declare one variable. A variable name I given something. Now I want to call that host variable. This is the syntax, host variable. So now we are want to call that host variable. See here, whatever you want, we can call it. Now here we have doubt. Now if I run my playbook, which value, which variable it is calling? Plus. Now cat space var underscore playbook. So here this is the variables, right? Here also I given something name equal to Monica I passing. In my host also name equal to I passed something. Now if I run my playbook, which one it is calling? Any guess it? Now two ఏరియాలో సేమ్ నేమ్ ఉంది. నాకు ఏది కాల్ అవచ్చు బై
That's
డిఫాల్ట్
right.
గా? See here, now I am not
That's
passing any
right.
runtime. Just I am giving. If I run means, so which variable it is calling? Now check it. By default, it is coming playbook variable. By default, it is calling playbook variable. So here also I note first preference runtime variables. If you are not passing runtime variable, next preference playbook variable. If this cell is also not available, then it is calling host variable.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్
Yes,
ఎవరికి?
sir.
రన్ టైమ్ వేరియబుల్స్కి. ఇప్పుడు నేను రన్ టైమ్ నేనేం పాస్ చేయలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఎవరికి ఇస్తుంది? ప్లేబుక్
Label.
వేరియబుల్. ప్లేబుక్ వేరియబుల్లో నేను మోనికాని పాస్ చేసినాను. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ అవుట్పుట్ మోనికా. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేయాలి? హోస్ట్ వేరియబుల్ చెక్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చెక్ హోస్ట్ వేరియబుల్ ఫస్ట్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ? ప్లేబుక్ వేరియబుల్ని కామెంట్ చేయాలి లేదా రిమూవ్ చేసేయాలి. గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కామెంట్ ద ప్లేబుక్ వేరియబుల్. ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ సింపుల్ ఓన్లీ, బట్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది అనేది జస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. sudo vi. Now come to here. I am going to here comment hash. How to comment amma? Insert hash. జస్ట్ దీన్ని నేనేం చేస్తాను? కామెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఎనీథింగ్. జస్ట్ కామెంట్ ఎస్కేప్ కోలన్ ఎక్స్. నౌ see here variables. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక మిషన్లో ఫెయిల్ అయింది, ఇంకొక మిషన్లో సక్సెస్ అయింది. గాట్ ఇట్? ఐ హ్యావ్ టూ
Yes, sir.
మిషన్స్ రైట్. నేను వేరియబుల్ ఒక మిషన్కే కదా డిక్లేర్ చేశాను. నౌ సీ హియర్
Yes, sir.
కాలింగ్ 165 హోస్ట్ వేరియబుల్. కరెక్ట్?
Yes, sir.
నా ఇది ఎందుకు ఫెయిల్ అయింది? ఐ డెంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీ YML ఫైల్ ఫర్ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఫర్ దిస్ host name. If you want to, you can create. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, one more thing. Group variable. గ్రూప్ వేరియబుల్ అంటే నేనేం చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు నాకు హోస్ట్ తెలుసు. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ రన్ టైమ్ వేరియబుల్. ఈ అదే హైరార్కీ, దీన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు. ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఎవరికి ఇస్తుంది? దీనికి ఇస్తుంది. సెకండ్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ మళ్ళీ డౌట్ మనకి. సార్ ఇప్పుడు నాకు హోస్ట్ నేమ్ కాలేదు కదా, నా ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎలా ఇస్తే అంటే సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ పాస్ లైక్ దిస్ -e. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం పాస్ చేస్తున్నాను? రన్ టైమ్ వేరియబుల్ కాల్ చేస్తున్నాను. గాట్ ఇట్? నేను రన్
Yes,
టైమ్
sir.
వేరియబుల్ కాల్ చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను డేవాప్స్ అని ఇచ్చాను. డేవాప్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఏది కాల్ అవుతుంది? రన్ టైమ్ వేరియబుల్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుందా లేకపోతే హోస్ట్ వేరియబుల్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుందా? రన్ టైమ్. ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ రన్ టైమ్. If you are not passing runtime variables, it is calling by default playbook variables. If playbook also not available, then it is calling host variable.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేస్తాను అంటే గ్రూప్ వేరియబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను. సేమ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు కాల్ గ్రూప్ వేరియబుల్, జస్ట్ క్రియేట్ group underscore vars, give whatever name you want. నా నేనేం చేస్తాను? గో టు హియర్ cd/etc ansible sudo mkdir గ్రూప్ వేరియబుల్ గ్రూప్ అండర్స్కోర్ విఆర్ఎస్ ఒక డైరెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. cd స్పేస్ గ్రూప్ అండర్స్కోర్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? ఇక్కడ నాకు 2 ఉంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు దీనికి క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? మన ఇష్టం, ఎనీథింగ్.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ సి హియర్ ఆల్రెడీ హియర్ ఐ గివన్. సో నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ గ్రూప్ వేరియబుల్? జస్ట్ హియర్ host name. So this is the host. Host means group name, right? Here what is our group name? In our case,
DevOps.
DevOps. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Go to here. So sudo vi devops.yml. Now same only. Colon calling whatever you want, just for understanding purpose. Escape colon x. Now go to here playbook. Here is our playbook. Now here any doubt? Monica, clear, right? Group variable.
Yeah.
Cat
Yes.
space devs. Okay. Now come outside on place. నా గ్రూప్ వేరియబుల్ చెక్ చేయాలి. దాని ముందు ఏం కామెంట్ చేయాలి నేను? ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఎవరికి ఇస్తుంది?
Host
ఆ
variable.
హోస్ట్ ను కూడా నేను కామెంట్ చేయాలి. సో విఐ sudo vi ansible which I am in which path. Okay. Come outside ls sudo vi var underscore play insert. Sorry, not here. హోస్ట్ వేరియబుల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? cd స్పేస్ స్లాష్ etc స్లాష్ ansible స్లాష్ etc etc స్లాష్ ansible స్లాష్ host underscore vars ls sudo vi vi once. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just I am commenting. Escape colon x. Now come outside. ఎందుకంటే కామెంట్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ గోస్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ గోస్ టు హోస్ట్ ఓన్లీ. నౌ ls. Now ansible hyphen playbook. What is the playbook name? var underscore. Now first preference runtime variable. I am not passing any runtime variable. Next it is checking playbook variable. Playbook le variable ఏదైనా ఉందా? Already I commented.
No.
Next preference, it will go check and host variable. Do you have any host variables? No. Now it is come to which variable?
Group variable.
Now see here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Group variable. Now last one we'll see all variables. So all means we are going to declare in our all variables means comment previous group and IP address, copy, paste into ungrouping area. So ungrouping area means we need to declare the here. We need to declare the here. So this is the where you want to all variables. Comment previous group and IP addresses and copy IP address and paste into ungrouped. So generally there is a host file, right? Where is your host file? This is my host file. cd space etc slash ansible. So under this is the host file. Cat space host. Correct? So these are the group. Correct? This is my
Yes,
group.
sir.
DevApps is a group. Under here I have added two host machine. Now this all are commented. Now I am going to this. I am going to this. This all are the ungroup. Ungroup means for example, just see here. Sudo vi host. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫైల్ ని జస్ట్ నేను మాడిఫై చేస్తున్నాను. Insert. Now this is a group variable. So this is a group variable. Just control copy. Just I am removing. Now I am declaring outside the group. Wherever you want, we can face it or top something. If you are not giving here also, they give an example. So this is the ungrouped host. Ungrouped means these host names they didn't mention anywhere. అంటే మీరు గ్రూప్ కింద యాడ్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రూప్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ అండర్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ గ్రూప్. ఇఫ్ యూ గివన్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ద గ్రూప్ దట్ ఈస్ మెట్ నథింగ్ బట్ అన్గ్రూప్డ్ వేరియబుల్స్. క్లియరా?
Yes, sir.
Here faced it. Sorry. What happens? Green. Where is my IP address? It is not copied. Okay. Now I need to copy that IP address and paste it here. Ungrouped. Already I have IP address, right? Copy this one. Anyone, that is your wish. Copy this one and just paste it. This is nothing but ungrouped. Ungrouped host specifying before any group headers. This is a collection of host. This is particularly comes to web servers. If we have multiple hosts, that case we need to mention like this. See, you can specify. So everything example they given here. Everything we can given so like this also. Now my I added one host, right? Now this is the grouped and ungrouped. Ungrouped. I didn't add anywhere any group. So this host I pasted here. What is this meaning? Ungrouped. It is not part of any group. Clear? మీరు
Yes, sir.
పర్టికులర్గా గ్రూప్లో యాడ్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద పర్టికులర్ గ్రూప్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫేస్డ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ది గ్రూప్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్. సే అన్గ్రూప్డ్ హోస్ట్ స్పెసిఫైయింగ్ బిఫోర్ ఎనీ గ్రూప్ హెడర్స్. మీరు ఎక్కడ కావాలంటే అక్కడ కాపీ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విషయం. సో జస్ట్ ఐ యాడెడ్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెక్షన్. మీరు గ్రూప్ అవుట్ సైడ్లో ఫేస్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ అన్గ్రూప్డ్ ఓన్లీ. సో నేను ఎలా కాల్ చేశానంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు విచ్ గ్రూప్? వెబ్ సర్వర్స్ గ్రూప్. నేను ఇక్కడ కాల్ చేశాను అనుకో దిస్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు వెబ్ సర్వర్స్ గ్రూప్. ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ రైట్. వన్స్ నేను గ్రూప్
Yes, sir.
కింద యాడ్ చేశాను అనుకో నవ్ దిస్ హోస్ట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఓన్లీ దిస్ గ్రూప్. నవ్ ఐఎమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ద గ్రూప్. నవ్ దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆల్. ఓకే, నవ్ దట్స్ ఇట్. ఎస్కేప్ కోలన్ ఎక్స్ సేవ్ అండ్ ఎక్సిట్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? దాన్ని కామెంట్ చేయాలి. Now, so now what we are telling? Now go to there. So now we need to sudo vi all. Now we need to declare one variables, one file also. So as of now we declare here, right? Ansible ls. So I declare host underscore variables. I declare group underscore vars. Now we need to declare one more. What we need to do? So declare the create one. See here all. Go to groups variable. We need to declare all.yml. All means it is belongs to all and meaning ఏమే? Maybe it is belongs to anything. Group or ungrouped also. Sudo vi all.ym. సో ఇక్కడ ఇంత ముందు ఏం చేశాను అంటే జస్ట్ గ్రూప్ అని ఇచ్చాను. స్పెసిఫిక్గా నేను ఏం చేశాను? గ్రూప్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చినాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాను? all.yml. All means it is part of anything. Grouped or ungrouped only. Name colon calling whatever you want. Escape colon x. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇది కాలం అంటే దీని ముందు ఏం చేయాలి?
Group was
కామెంట్ చేయాలి.
comment.
sudo space va davars. గ్రూప్ లో వేరియబుల్ డిక్లేర్ చేస్తే కదా జస్ట్ కామెంట్ ఇట్. escape colon x. now ls. now come outside. So Ansible hyphen playbook space var var playbook. Calling all variables. I hope you got it right. So this is the but interview mostly they are asking this question. First one, how to pass runtime variables. Now how many ways we can declare variables? You can declare playbook variable, we can pass runtime, and we can declare a host variable, group variable, all variables also. Very very important. Most of the people they are touching so these variables. Now I hope you got some idea, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? These are the variables. Now, so there is tags also. One more important concept, tags. We missed it, tags, right? Ansible tags. So which case we go for tags. So these are the tags, ma. Tags all, run all task. Tags only tag one, tag two. Skip tags. I don't want run this one. run only tags with at least one tag, tags untagged, run only task with no tags. So this is also tag means in real time, which case we are using. For example, I have a playbook. My playbook has many tasks, many models. ఆ ప్లేబుక్లో ఏమున్నాయి మెనీ మోడల్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. నౌ ఇఫ్ ఐ రన్ మై ప్లేబుక్, వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ మా?
All.
అన్నీ ఏమవుతుంది రన్ అవుతాయి కదా.
Yes, sir.
So if I run my playbook, every time it will execute all tasks, all models it will be executed. See here, Ansible are used to control which task are run in playbook. So Ansible are used to control which task are run in playbook. మీ playbook లో ఏ టాస్క్ రన్ చేయాలి, which task. They allow to use run only specific part of playbook instead of executing everything. Instead of executing entire task, entire all, I want to run specific task, specific part. So that case we should go for Ansible tags. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు so now see here why use tags. Speed up playbook execution. ఎందుకంటే నాకు 100 ట్యాగ్లు ఉన్నాయి, సో 100 టాస్క్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను 20 మోడల్స్ యాడ్ చేశాను. ఇఫ్ ఐ రన్ మై ప్లేబుక్ 20 మోడల్స్ షుడ్ బి ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్, దర్ ఇస్ నో డౌట్. నాకు ఎవ్రీ టైం 20 మోడల్స్ అవసరం లేదు. I need only execute 5 models or 2 models. So rerun only specific task and useful debug testing. Skip unnecessary steps. So that is main thing, right? Instead of running all task, all playbook execution, entire playbook execution, I am going to run only specific task. So that case we can go for tags. Clear?
Yes.
Now if you go here and there is these are the tags can handle roles black. Okay. So if you click on Ansible tags, this is the official document. So they are giving clear information also. Clear information also. Where is that? These are the selecting. Ansible playbook offer 5 tag related to command. So hyphen tags all. నేను నా ప్లేబుక్ రన్ చేసేటప్పుడు hyphen tags all అని ఇచ్చినంటే రన్ ఆల్ టాస్క్ tagged and also untagged except if never. First will come to playbook. నేను జస్ట్ ls. మనకి ప్లేబుక్ లో ఏమని చూద్దాం, డౌన్లోడ్ యూజర్స్. ఓకే, ఫైల్ కంటెంట్ సమ్వేర్ we added more than, right? Cat space create file, cat space file content, cat space users. Users file display. Okay, cat space display download dev. Okay, now I'm taking anyone. First I'm taking this one, this users display, and same way I'm using so this also. Okay, first I'm copying, I'm mixing. I need more task, right? Correct. సో నేనేం చేస్తాను అంటే దీన్ని కూడా కాపీ చేసుకుంటాను. Now open any one playbook. Sudo vi users hyphen playbook. insert. Now just paste it. Same వచ్చిందా? Sorry. I don't want same. I need different content, right? Just I'm going to so many. I'll state that's it. This is okay. Where I pasted create file. Okay. This one I need. I'm going to add this to two more. I'm just adding. I need more task. That's it. Apart from this, nothing. Okay. Okay. Paste it. Now file name file. First check this all these things. Okay. DST name file model. Just added. I don't want this one. Give alignment. Yeah, any doubt, Monica? Just I'm adding more task. We need to check it,
Noticed.
right? Nothing. Same content only, just I'm using. Okay, that's it. Now, hyphen, then command model ఎలా యూస్ చేస్తాం మనం whatever you want. File model, copy model, many models, right? Correct.
Okay.
Sorry, just now I will add later. Right now I have four models. If I run my playbook, so how many tasks executing? This one, this one,
Four.
this one, this one. Correct? See? Escape, escape, colon, X. So which one? Ansible hyphen playbook. Users. If I run my playbook, so now it is running my all task. There is no doubt. So few tasks may be failed. Some file may be changed and I'll leave it those things. Okay. Now it is running, right? Now, suppose in real time, I have a playbook. I have 50 tasks. If I run my playbook, every time 50 tasks should be executed. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is a waste, right? Burden, right? So that case, to avoid that, we need to go for Ansible tags. Now I'm going to use tags equal to give some name. Every task, we need to add some name. What is the syntax? Tags. We can give something. Now, same way, I'm coming here. I'm coming here. So for the task, I'm giving one name. What name you want? We can give any name. That is your wish. Insert. We can give any name here. Okay. TA tags. Same syntax almost here. Tags colon and give any name. What is the name for this? Create file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now for this tag, I'm going to add. So this is parallel to modules only. Tags colon. File permission. Okay. Next, for this task, tags. Got it? Tags. Okay. Print. Now clear, Monica. See here. For every task, I given one tag name. Create file, file permission, all users, something, whatever you want. Now, while running your playbook, if I run like this, what is happening? If I run my playbook, all tasks should be execute, right? Clear.
Yes, sir.
I don't want all. Now I want to, so like this. I don't want all. So you want to only tags. So which tag you want to run? Give. This is the syntax. Tag space. What is the tag name? We need to pass like this. Tags.
Hyphen, hyphen, tag.
Hyphen tags. What is the syntax? Tag. Which tag you want to run?
Create file.
First cat space. Users. So this one. Now Ansible playbook and what is playbook? Users tags. Now I want to only create file. నాకేమేమన్నా రన్ అవ్వాలి?
Create file.
Create file. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now run it. Now see here. ఇప్పుడు ఏ టాస్క్ రన్ అయింది? ఓన్లీ క్రియేట్ ఫైల్. ఓన్లీ క్రియేట్ ఫైల్. Suppose you want to run more than two also. Now one more. I want to give permission also. This is the file permission. Two tags. Okay. Space. I am giving two. Now in this case, how many tasks executing?
Two.
Two. What is happening?
Need to give comma.
Comma you missed. Escape. Okay.
Yes.
Now see here. File. Create file. And second one is give file permission to file. Now untagged. Here remains same thing only. Skip tags. నాకు అన్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఫ్యూ థింగ్స్. వీ కెన్ యూస్ స్కిప్ ట్యాగ్స్. ఇలా కూడా యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ దిస్ టు, ఐ వాంట్ రన్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ వన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్కిప్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్పెసిఫికలీ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్కిప్ దిస్ ట్యాగ్. ఏది? ఐ వాంట్ టు స్కిప్ ప్రింట్. రిమైనింగ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. క్లియరా? ఇక్కడ ఏమి చేయాలి?
Yes, sir.
స్కిప్ ట్యాగ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్కిప్ హైఫన్ ట్యాగ్స్. Skip hyphen tags space print. So in my playbook total how many tasks? 4 tasks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am skipping only this one. ఇప్పుడు నేను స్కిప్ చేశాను మీనింగ్ ఏమి? ఈ 3 రన్ అవ్వాలి. Got it? That is the
Yes.
story. Skip tags. Now see here. So now what is this? Create file, permission file, and this is also executed. But here error, leave it, that one we'll check it. Unsupported pattern for state. Okay. So it is executing. Print is printing. Task is executing. No. Same way. Now tagged run only task with at least one tag. ఇప్పుడు ఐఫోన్ ట్యాగ్స్ ట్యాగ్డ్ అన్నాను. రన్ ఓన్లీ టాస్క్ విత్ అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ ట్యాగ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ ప్లే బుక్లో ట్యాగ్ లేవమ్మా, నేను రిమూవ్ చేస్తాను. సి హియర్ సిడి sudo vi sudo vi. ఇప్పుడు నేను ట్యాగ్ రిమూవ్ చేసిన, జస్ట్ దీనికి ట్యాగ్ రిమూవ్ చేశాను. ఓకే, సో ఇన్సర్ట్ ఐ రిమూవ్ దిస్ వన్, దీని ట్యాగ్ లేదు. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ 3 ఎస్కేప్ కోలన్ ఎక్స్. నేను దిస్ వన్ యూస్ చేస్తాను. చూడండి, ట్యాగ్స్ ట్యాగ్ అంటే రన్ ఓన్లీ టాస్క్ ఇఫ్ అట్ లీస్ట్ వన్ ట్యాగ్. నెక్స్ట్ అన్ట్యాగ్డ్, ఐ వాంట్ టు రన్ ఓన్లీ అన్ట్యాగ్డ్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు దీనికి ఆ ట్యాగ్ లేదు, నేను రిమూవ్ చేశాను కదా. నౌ రన్ ఇట్ sudo. నేను చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ ఐఫన్ వాట్ ఈస్ సింటాక్స్ అన్ట్యాగ్డ్. అన్ట్యాగ్డ్ మీన్స్
టాస్క్ వితౌట్
ట్యాగ్. ఓన్లీ మీకు ఏది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి, అన్ట్యాగ్డ్. క్లియరా? సింటాక్స్ మిస్సింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ క్లియర్? Ansible playbook username tags hyphen tags, right?
ఐఫోన్
One miss
మిస్సింగ్.
అయింది. Hyphen tags and untagged. Untagged means now we need to call only this one. Leave it. This is whether success or fail. Leave it. We need to call only this one. Okay. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
interval also very important. So how we are handling? These are the 5 types. Tags all means it will run all. ఇప్పుడు నేను అన్ని ఇచ్చినాను. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఆల్ అని ఇచ్చేసాను. ఆల్ మీన్స్ ట్యాగ్డ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ అన్ట్యాగ్డ్. అంటే ఇది ఈ కేసులో ఏం రన్ అవుతుంది, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ రన్ అవుతాయి. గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes, sir.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద hyphen tags means so tagged as well as untagged. See, everything it is running. So this is also very important. So tags all means run all tasks tagged and untagged except never. If we expect now only tagged means tags we need to give specific tags, and skip means we want to skip also, and only tagged which are only tagged. Untagged means only it will run untagged. These are the 5. So interval also important. Okay, just note it. So but real time lo here we have only 4 5, right? But real time if you see playbook we can see many tasks. So in this case, how to run your playbook? Every time I don't want execute, I don't want run my all task. Why I need to run all task every time? So what are the tasks I need? I am going to run only the task. Clear? Suppose if you want to, I want
Yes,
to
sir.
run all task, but I want to skip only specific task. I don't want. I have 50 tasks. So within the 50, I don't want only 2 tasks. So that is untagged the tag name. So if you go for this, so we can go for this is the way we can so run our playbook. So concept is simple only. So if you want to run, so how to run? So which task are you run in our playbook? నా playbook లో ఏ టాస్క్ రన్ అవ్వాలి? సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రన్, సో దట్ కేస్ యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ Ansible tags. So it is allowed to run only specific part of your playbook instead of executing everything. Everything run చేయడం ఏమవుతుంది? So load, right? Why you use tags? If you use tags, we can speed up your playbook because we are running only specific task. I don't want entire playbook. Rerun only specific task. One more advantage is, so I want to rerun specific task multiple times. So that case we can use very useful and useful during the debugging purpose. So that is also very useful. So these are the some of so use cases we go for tags. Clear, Monica?
Yes, sir.
So now This is we need to remember this one. Only this name count. So we need to understand this naming and all, how it will work. So this is the API document. Here we can check it. Everything they are given clearly. Just to note it here. And so remember, enter also most of the people they are asking. Where is the tags? This one. Okay. How it very simple only, but we need to understand. All means both. Only tags means whichever we given tags. Skipped means which tags we want to skip, which task we want to skip, that one. And tagged only, untagged only, unstaged. And that one. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Many helmet sensor. Okay. Next class we'll see. So there is few things. Just practices. These are very simple, only very, very important today concept. So what is this? Variables. How many ways we can declare variables and how to call it, and what is the advantage, what is the tag and why you go for tag, and how to run. That's we're using tags. See that's okay. So that's it from my side. Thanks everyone. I will upload this video.
Thank you.
Bye.